wanted to make a quilt out of a cutter quilt that I had, and it was pretty dirty, so I threw it in the washing machine. And I wanted to make just little heart pillows for Valentine's Day. I love these fabrics. There's a lot of dirty spots, stained spots on here, so I can cut it up and make pillows and avoid those dirty spots. So I took a piece of plastic that the kids had for some of their toys and cut it into a heart shape so that I could position my template on top. So I just made a basic heart template. Okay, now I have the two sides. My quilt, I could use anything for the back, really just some plain, but since I have so much of this quilt, I might as well use it. So now I'm simply just going to stitch these two together, leave a space for the opening for my stuffing, and get going. Okay, so for this version of the heart, I did right sides together. So you can see these are the insides. I stitched around the edge and I left a little hole to fill it, and then I'll hand stitch it later. But one thing that I wanted to say is that when you're sewing curves like this, whether it's this section or this section, concave or convex, you want to trim it a little bit, and so that you get that nice sharp curve when you turn it inside out. So with this kind of curve going this way, you make a little notch. So it should look like a little triangle that you've pulled out. And especially when something like this is already quilted and has this much bulk, it's nice to get in there and get that little notch out. So I go pretty much right to the seam. My tip of my scissors aren't quite, but you can see that's how, I don't know if you can see that. That's how I do it on the top. And then on this section, I simply just create a little cut here. So you don't have to create the triangle when the curve is going this way. So this way is triangles, and then this way is just simply cuts. So I'll do a little bit of trimming around this so that when I turn it around, I can get that nice edge there. Okay, so now I've turned it around, I've got my hole, and I'm gonna stuff it. Okay, it's all stuffed, and I just clipped, and I'm gonna hand stitch to close it up.
In this version, I'm not putting right sides together. In this version, I'm not putting right sides together to see if I'm actually putting wrong sides together to see if I allow some of that edge hearts. And it will allow some of that. In this version, I'm not putting right sides together. I'm actually putting wrong sides stitch all the way around to see, leaving again a spot. Stitch all the way around, and it will allow again that spot for me to stuff hand quilting and the original quilting to show through. So I just stitch all the way around, leaving again a spot for me to stuff the pillow.